Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and save video on a CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, you're first gonna go ahead access your CapCut, and this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? So there are two ways. First, if you would like to save your edited videos, you're gonna go ahead, tap on new project, add your particular file, tap on add, and now tap on this icon on top right corner, and this is simply an exporting icon which will export your file directly to your gallery. You will go back, access your gallery, and there you go, your file is just right over there saved. Other would be if you would like to save a current, like there is a video here in this cap template section that you really fond of, you want to save it, then you can simply gonna go ahead, tap on that template and tap on this three dot icon given below the comments icon, and tap on this save option, and you can see it's saving. And once the loading is done for it, you will be able to save that particular video here in your gallery. You can go ahead, access your gallery for that, and you can see that particular video is now saved. That is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.